Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is an easy peasy, warm and cozy, creamy potato soup. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, heat a cooking pot and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt the butter and add 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Saute the onion until they are softened. So I'm adding a little bit of salt to speed up the process. Now add 2 medium-sized potatoes chopped. So 2 medium-sized potatoes will be around 250 grams or 270 grams in weight. And I have chopped the potatoes into small pieces so that the potatoes can be easily cooked. Give everything a mix. Add 3 cloves of garlic. You needn't bother to chop up garlic because the garlic will get cooked with the potatoes. Saute the potatoes until the moisture is gone and the butter is completely combined with the potatoes, but make sure that you do not fry or burn the potatoes. Saute on medium flame. Alright, so I have sauteed the potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes now. Take 1 2/3 cup of hot water, and to this I am going to use instant vegetable stock cube. Add the cube and mix well to form instant stock. I have used vegetable stock over here. You can use chicken stock as well. Pour 1 2/3 cup of vegetable stock to the potato mixture. If you do not have stock, replace it with water. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 3 cloves. Add pepper and salt to your taste. Mix everything and bring them to a boil. You can see that the soup mixture is starting to boil, so let's add 1 1/2 cup or 300 ml of milk. Give everything a stir and let's cover this mixture with a lid. Once the soup mixture starts to boil, give it a good stir and then add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Give everything a good mix and then let's cover the soup with a lid. Cook the soup on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes or until the potatoes are completely cooked. Alright, so the soup has been cooking for a little over 12 minutes and you can see that the soup has now reduced and the potatoes are thoroughly cooked. Turn off the heat and let's pour the soup mixture through a sieve. Make sure you're using a sieve with metal mesh because we are pouring really hot soup. Now, using a spatula or back of a spoon, press down or rub the potato through the sieve. Alright, so I'm switching to a spoon now. This method will give the soup a grainy-like texture, but if you want your soup to be very fine and smooth in texture, then go ahead and use a blender. But make sure that the soup is cold enough. Okay, I'm almost done with rubbing the potatoes to the sieve. So once you lift the sieve, you will see that the mashed potatoes are stuck to the bottom of the sieve. But that is fine. You can use a spatula to scrape down the potatoes. Let us pour the soup back into the cooking pot. Turn on the heat and bring the soup back to a boil. Make sure you stir occasionally. Once the soup has boiled, lower the heat and simmer for another 2 minutes. Alright, so our soup is ready. So let's transfer the soup into a bowl and garnish with a piece of coriander leaf. Serve the soup hot with toasted bread. This is a delicious vegetarian soup. Do try them out, guys, and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.